The Block Development Office of the Mawpat C&RD Block had organized a Mawpat Block Outreach Mela at the indoor stadium of Nongthymmai Sports and Cultural Club on the 21st of May 2022. The Headman of Lawjynriew S Kharshandi and Block Development Officer Mawpat C&RD Block, S Kshiar, along with residents of the locality, had participated in the Mela that is aimed at educating the masses and creating awareness on benefits and schemes offered by the government to the public. As many as 15 to 16 departments of the government had converged at the Mela to make it convenient for the general public to avail of such benefits offered by the central and state governments. Speaking to reporters on the significance of the Mela, the Block Development Officer of Mawpat C&RD Block, S Kshiar, informed that the third of its kind Mela had been organized with an aim to bring the block office closer to the people of all 30 localities within Mawpat Block by educating them on schemes such as the Ishram, the Chief Minister's Assistance Program and others.
Time to time we keep getting instructions from the state, from the center, that we have to increase Aadhaar coverage and Ishram and other schemes of the government which the public is not aware of. So from Mawpat Block, since last year when the pandemic was in full swing, we had taken the initiative to reach out to the Shillongs who are willing to cooperate with us to have a combined convergence Mela with all the departments that are functioning in the block. So as in the case of Lawjynriew, we have seen, we have got 15-16 departments together in one board. So the people who need to avail schemes like CM's Assistance Program, National Pension Scheme, Aadhaar, Ishram, MHIS card, they can come to the locality and get it done for those who are unable to come to the block office and visit us. So this was our initiative to bring the block office closer to the public. We have taken all the initiatives. Last year we have written to all the 30 Shillongs to cooperate with us. Till date, this is the third Shillong which has responded. Last year we have already completed Nongman Song and Umpling. This year we got a request from Lawjynriew, so we have come to Lawjynriew. So based on the response we receive, if the Shillong is forthcoming, then we are willing to go forward. See, bringing the schemes is no problem, but our only problem is that with banks, we brought the SBI for financial literacy campaign. For them, they have to man their office also. So if we fix for banks, Saturday being working day, it becomes a problem for them. So we can try as far as possible.